Hi, this is Alex from PHP Academy, and in this series we're going to be creating an AJAX chat application. So we're going to be using a combination of styles to style what you can currently see on the screen. Then we're going to use JavaScript and the JavaScript library jQuery to set the interval for when the chat's refreshed. And then obviously we're going to be calling PHP, and we're going to be using a MySQL database to store and then obviously retrieve the data from there. This is going to be based off current users that are logged in. So you can see I've got two examples here. You can see in the URL up here I've got user equals 2. Now this is just for testing because I'm not going to build a login system to demonstrate this, but I'm specifying this, which is setting a session. So you can see that over here it's user equals 1. So in this case, if I was to type hello, you can see that this appears in both windows. So these are chats, obviously could be different users across the other side of the world. And in here I can then say hello there, and this would be from a different user. So these get parameters at the end here, these get variables that we're specifying in the URL, define what user is logged in. But obviously in your case, your system would already define that somewhere. So this is essentially what we are going to be creating. It's very basic in concept. We've got a few files to run through, but really it doesn't get that complicated. It's a very, very simple process. So in the first part, we'll look at setting everything up, and then we'll get going with creating this.